Welcome to Arverne Dental. My name is Dr. Lyuba Taft and I am a general dentist. I am practicing dentistry since 1994 and in 2003 I opened my first office here in Arverne, Queens, New York.
Very attentive, very helpful and kind. They guide you through the process and make you feel very comfortable.
Whether it is your regular dental cleaning appointment or because you have a toothache, it is important to me that my team and I do very best to make your visit a comfortable and memorable experience.
She's always been courteous, her staff is wonderful and very accommodating.
I'm proud to say that Arverne Dental is the type of practice that patient can call home.
The care you get here is so top-rated in comparison to where I've gone before. I'm very satisfied with the work they have done for me.
To provide patients with better experience, we understand the importance of learning on an everyday basis. We're adopting newest technologies, serving the Rockaway community to provide our patients with healthy and beautiful smiles.
And these staff are really nice, so if you need to clean your teeth, this place is it. I'm telling you, this place is it.
Welcome to my practice. You definitely will be greeted with our friendly smiles, and we will do our best that when it would be time to leave, you will leave with your beautiful smile.